Well, I've got a case of the Sedge again, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this Nutsedge Killer here, hose end sprayer. It's Sulfentrazone, 1.4%. It works great. I've used it before. I've compared it with other products, and I just prefer this one the best. There's 3 different major ones that you'd want to use, which are sulfosulfuron, which is Certainty, Ortho Hose and Sprayer, which I have here. It's Sulfentrazone, and you could also use SedgeHammer, which works well. I've used that before, and it's Halosulfuron-methyl, and that's also 75%. The SedgeHammer, this is advertised to work for about 5,000 square feet. It costs about $15. The SedgeHammer is the other product I've used, and it covers, for a packet, a little box of it, it covers about 1,000 square feet is what it advertised for. And that costs about $13. So in my opinion, this is just more convenient. There's no mixing, and it covers more. So I don't even know why anyone would want to use SedgeHammer over this stuff, because I've actually compared them, and the SedgeHammer is slower to work than this. You could also go with the Certainty. And that's for a lot larger applications if you have like an acre or something, because it comes in like a 6-ounce container and it's very concentrated, it's 75%. So it's gonna last a long time, and I don't really have any need for that at this point in time, because I'm kind of ignoring my backyard. Anyway, all right, here is the nutsedge right here. It's intermittent in this area. And there's just a ton of it over here. This area fully infested with nutsedge all over the place. There's 0 nutsedge here in the hell strip, which is a Kentucky blue, 100% Kentucky blue. Not a single sign of any weeds or any nutsedge, anything like that. It's doing fantastic. Well, it turns out I do have some nutsedge here in the hell strip. This whole area has been a little problematic along here. I'm treating about 1,500 square feet today, so I want to use a little bit less than half this bottle.
There's a lot of Ferraris.
What is this that you got me, buddy? This is my present?
Yeah.
And what is it?
Number 1, a lot of Ferraris.
All right, looks like I used, just under half. Exactly my goal. Can't believe it. Oh, popping a wheelie! Oh, now that's a good line right there. Oh yeah, that was a good one, Cole. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, no more nutsedge. It is all gone. One application, just like I thought it would, because this is exactly what it did last year. And it was gone in less than 2 days. And yeah, this is where high infestation was right here before. It's gone. You can see Day 6 update on the Sulfentrazone treatment, killing nutsedge. I would say it's above 99% effective, because there is still some nutsedge hanging out, but it's essentially gone. And the results speak for themselves. This stuff is great. If you want to get rid of your nutsedge, this will do that. I have about 15,000 square feet, but I'm only babying about 1,500 square feet of my lawn, and this bottle right here will just be fine for me for 1 year alone. I wouldn't dare buy more right now. I wouldn't, even though it's a per pound of active ingredient per dollar. Is that how you say that? I don't think so, but it's a better value if you buy the concentrate. However, it's not going to last forever. So even if you buy 1 million gallons at a penny per gallon, you're not gonna use it all, so it's really not worth it. So, you know, where you just gotta find out for yourself where you fall on that little spectrum there of buying this or the concentrate. If I can get it. Oh my goodness, I think I got it first try. Look at this. I got it. First try. Oh. No! Oh!